Good morning and welcome to Doodle Chat today. Today we're going to be drawing a character from my book, Sleepy Sea. We're going to draw this little guy, the dolphin. Everybody loves dolphins, right? Isn't he cute? Check him out. So this is the dolphin that is also a plushie, a one-eyed plushie that helps the little girl discover that other animals in the sea are asleep and how they sleep, and inspires her to find sleep on her own in her new big girl bed. And that's the story of Sleepy Sea. So I like to start Dolphin with a paisley shape. So a paisley is kind of this teardrop shape. Okay. And think of the point of the teardrop as the tail and the bulbous part as the head of the dolphin. Then after you have that, about halfway down into this bulbous part, you can draw the nose. Now, dolphins have a nose. It's also called a rostrum. And if your dolphin is smiling, he might have a bottom part of the nose too. You can show that. It's just another little S curve. Now the smile pretty much points to the eyeball. So you can put your eyeball right where the smile is. And I'm going to have him looking, kind of staring at his nose. Next, we'll come down and we'll do the tail. So you want to kind of add some bulk to the tail. And this portion of the dolphin is called the peduncle. The peduncle is all muscle. This is where the dolphin gets his power for swimming. And then we'll do the tail flukes. Make a little middle point right there. And you're going to draw basically a little leaf shape. And then another little matching leaf shape. Okay, then you have your dolphin tail. So dolphins also have pectoral fins. These are the side fins or flippers. And I just draw that as another little leaf shape. One fin, and then he's going to be kind of pointing with this fin. So it's more like a little shark fin there. I'm going to give him a little eyebrow because my character in my book has a little eyebrow. And we're going to draw about halfway down the back, the dorsal fin. And dolphins have kind of a curved, soft shape for a dorsal fin, unlike a sharper angle like sharks do. And there's the dolphin. So now I can go in with my marker and just highlight the parts that I want to show. His little pectoral fins, his dorsal fin, his melon. The bump on the forehead is called the melon. It's such a cute name for that piece of the anatomy. And his little eyeball, he's got an eyebrow, which dolphins don't have eyebrows, but I thought it made him look cute. And his little, gotta get his peduncle. I looked it up. Peduncle actually means stem or stalk. So they also use that term in botany. And this little point where the two flukes come together, that is called the median notch, in case you were wondering. One fluke, two flukes, and we have a dolphin tail. Now I'm just gonna take my eraser and erase out my pencil lines. Yeah. Nice clean dolphin drawing. What's our dolphin pointing to? I'm gonna have him talking to a starfish. That'd be cute. I have starfish in my book too. Starfish don't really have a face, but it kind of makes them cute. All right, I hope you had fun drawing a dolphin with me today, and be sure to send me pictures of your dolphin drawings. I want to share them on my YouTube channel. All right, take care. Bye-bye.